Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video we have the question: the role of natural phenomena in influencing map making conventions is seen most clearly in. So basically for these four types of maps you need to identify the correct basis. So if we refer to the passage, we remember if you go back to the passage, you'll remember that the Chinese maps were built basically because they wanted to show respect to the emperor. So this was not connected to natural phenomena. Islamic maps and Christian maps. Islamic maps, they place south at the top because most of the early Muslim cultures were north of Mecca, so religious regions. Christian maps from the same era put east at the top towards Garden of Eden and with Jerusalem at the center, again religious reasons, right? So your Christian maps, your Islamic maps, your Chinese maps are ruled out, leaves us with Egyptian maps only. Let's study about Egyptian maps as well. In ancient Egyptian times, the top of the world was east, the position of sunrise. So this is the only reason which connects with the sun, which is in turn connected with nature, right? So this has a connection with natural phenomena. A very easy question, a fact-based question that you can identify the answer very easily. All of you should get this question correct, right? Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning.